Hello all, welcome to our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're going to see about dynamic routing and load optimization, a predictive analysis approach to streaming logistics. Introduction. First of all, in this, traditional logistic systems often struggle with ineffectiveness because they use basic rules and historical data, which don't adapt well to real-time changes or variation in demand. These systems generally have fixed routes and schedules, leading to a problem when the condition change. What our project is here to address to improve this integrating dynamic vehicle load management with predictive analytics. Instead of relying on simple historical trends, it uses advanced data analysis and machine learning to forecast deliver demands more accurately. This approach helps optimize vehicle load management, adjust the route and schedule dynamically, and ultimately reduce the cost and improve effective logistics operation. Yeah. Now I'll explain you our problem statement. Our problem statement is traditionally logistics systems may use basic rules and fixed schedules for load management and route planning, which don't adapt well to real-time changes or demand variations. They rely on historical data and manually adjustments, leading to ineffectives. Although some modern systems use predictive analysis, may still use simple forecasting methods and limited machine learning, which hinders their ability to optimize operations and improve effectiveness. The use of machine learning this domain is often limited, which models are simplistic and do not fully leverage the extensive data available. Further constrain the potential for optimization and effectivity in logistic operations. Now I will show you our flow chart so that you will have a good idea about the project. Yeah. So this is what our flow chart. First of all, I will load our data used by CSV, comma separated values. Here, what we are doing is we are doing pre-processing thing. Whether our data consists of any missing values, it will be replaced by zeros, and we are converting our data types to comfortable data types so that it could be easy to train those datas. And then we are clustering and installing route planning based on k-means clustering and assigning the drivers based on those clusters. After this, we are clustering initial routing by k-means clustering and assigning drivers. Same process we're doing here, and we are selecting vehicle here. Like we will select the vehicles based on the weights and the products we have. First, and then we have the static route here. We have static route planning, predefined routes, and fixed schedule here. What we will do is we will do the predefined routes and fixed schedule here, and we will do manual adjustments so that our drivers would be easy to go further from one location to another location manually. After this, we're using predictive analysis based on load historical data set, and finally we could display our report by what we have manually adjusted, and statical route planning is also will be there. Yeah, this is how it will be work. Now I will show you the code so that you have a further idea about the project. Yeah. Before that, I will show you our data set so that it would be easy to see what kind of data we are going through. This is our data set. These are zip code of the location, and these are the latitude and longitude of the certain location where the goods could be dropped. Here the location SP, and these are the product. What are the products should be go there, and these are the product weights. Based on these weights, our vehicle will be decided, and these are the dates. These are ordered dates of the certain this one. You can see this. Totally, we have 500 datas here. Yeah, I'll show you our products so that you can see what are the unique products we have here. Yeah, these are the products. These are a bunch of products we have here, and these are the product dates. And these are general things about the products. Yeah, and this CSV, you have the general things about the products like product weights, and then like protect the height and centimeter width. Likewise, it will be here. You can see this quality and all. I'll close this. Now I'll move to the code. Yeah. Here, what I have done is I imported our. I need to change our longitude and longitude because it is in float. So I'm changing it's a float type. Yeah, I have changed this, and I'm importing the geo CSV here. And then I'm checking whether in my data set the product category name and the geological longitude, city, product page, do they have any missing values so that it would cause any outliers in the prediction, so that I'm checking whether any missing values is there, so that I could change it to 0. Yeah. And then I'm doing clustering here based on the longitude or longitude of the geo clusters, and I'm assigning drivers here. I'm predefining assigning drivers here, like driver 1, driver 2, driver 4. And these are the weights. Based on the product, our vehicle will be decided to truck is and go. If the weight is below 15,000, it could take truck, and if this above the 10,000, mini ace will be there, and if below 2,000, minivan. If this below, and then small vehicle will be provided to the drivers. Yeah, I'll run this now so that you have good idea what kind of you're dealing with. Yeah, these are initial assignments. You can see this driver 1 is initial to geo cluster 0, and the product name is here. And the driver 1, the same driver 1, product weight is 7,900. So the minivan is provided. Route is 1, and schedule is fixed schedule only. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change any manual due to manual adjustment. I'm going to do here. Like in this driver 4, you can see this, no? In this driver 4, I'm going to change him. Like I need a driver 1 here, so that index 127, I need a driver 1 so that it could delivery the 17,570 weights in truck in route 4 and fixed schedule. If you need, you can change the route also. I will change the route to 1 to driver 1. I will assign here so that you can see. Yeah. Do you want to make a manual adjustment? Yes, I need to make manual adjustment. So enter the index of the row which you want to make adjustment. I need 127th index to be changed. Okay. Is it whether you need to change the driver? Yes, I need to change the driver. I need to keep a driver 1 here. Yes, I need to change him. Yeah, I need driver 1. I need a driver 1 here. Invalid driver. So it's a space here. So that yes, I need to change. Route I need to go in route 1. Yeah, okay. Change schedule. No, fixed schedule is enough. So that I'm going no. Yeah, okay. Yeah, can see this. Yeah, you can see this now. Our driver 4 is changed to route 1. This is how it works. Yeah. Based on this product, your logistic business should be more useful based on this project. If you have any drivers to change a manual adjustment to based on some certain conditions, you can use this. You can this method. Yeah. Thank you. Now, thank you for watching our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. If you want to more see about the project videos, you can follow us. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.